Good morning, TPS family. It's wonderful to be with you this beautiful but rainy Tuesday morning. Alexa, stop. This morning I wanted to talk to you a little bit about 2021. Now, it's been a tumultuous year already. And I was thinking about it this morning when my alarm went off. Because as my alarm went off, suddenly there was this bit of light in the darkness. And I thought, this little bit of light is kind of like how much we know about 2021. Now, TPS, I don't know if you sometimes get up in the middle of the night and you put on your torch and you look around and you can only see the little bit in front of you where the torch shines some light. Maybe you get up in the night, or maybe you go to bed with a candle, and the candle has the same effect. The candle will only show you the things that are in the light. And that's a little bit how I feel about 2021, and I wanted to share that with you. We only know a little bit about what's going to happen to us. We only know a little bit about what is happening right now even. But that doesn't mean that we should not be positive. TPS, I made a list of the things that I do know. Yes, I might not know the whole of 2021 or what's going to happen, but I made a list about what I do know, and these things are in my light. So from me, I know that TPS can do online learning. I know that TPS pupils are very, very brave. I know that TPS teachers are here to help and support you. I know that TPS children can be very disciplined, and that means you get up every morning, you get washed, you brush your teeth, you have your breakfast, maybe not in that order, and you get ready for your online schooling. I know that at TPS we are part of a very, very kind family, and that during this time that we're at home, we're going to be really, really kind to each other. I also know that we can show empathy towards each other. TPS, I know that you guys are very good at listening to your parents, and that's what I want you to do during home learning. I want you to listen to your parents, and I want you to be cooperative, and I know you know what that means, and I want you to be helpful. Now, TPS, all these things are going to be a little bit difficult. Sometimes, not all the time, but sometimes. So I want you to actively go out this week and to look for the things that you can see in the light. And that might even mean that you take a picture of a beautiful sunrise or a beautiful sunset, but it means that you're going to think about being positive. You're going to look for the light. Okay, TPS, I'm going to put my lights on now, and I'm going to let you go and start your morning. I'm hoping to see some of you pick up your home learning packs this morning. Others of you, I know you're online and you're in your Teams meeting from as early as 8 a.m. So remember, TPS, look for the light. And I'll see you on Friday online. Bye.